Welcome to TipUp, quick tech tips so you can work smarter. Nothing puts a snag into data input for your spreadsheet when the data comes from an external source that's not another Excel file. Do you copy and paste from another file type and hope it doesn't wreck your formatting? Or worse, manually input everything? Well, we don't have all day, so let's try some Excel Power Queries. Power Queries allow you to import data from an external source and then change that data in Excel to suit your needs. What's nice about Power Queries is that if your data is an online source like a website or database, your table will be dynamic and can refresh to include updated data if the original source changes. Excel for Windows offers the most robust options for the types of Power Queries you can do, allowing you to pull data from the web, other databases, and even photos. We'll demonstrate using this version, but there are some Power Query options available for Excel for Mac and Excel for the web in your online O365 account. Let's look at a couple of basic Power Queries. Let's say you have to import data from another table, but it's only available as a physical printout. First, take a clear photo of the printout. Here's a photo of a table showing box office figures for the top movies of 1981. Let's upload that to the computer where we're using Excel. Once you upload your image, go into Excel and select the Data tab. Look for the Get Data section and click From Picture to select the correct picture from your files. After a quick analysis, Excel will show you how it intends to display the data in your spreadsheet. You can click Review to edit cells Excel has marked in red as needing another glance. Or you can accept the data as is by clicking Insert Data. Voila! All your data from your printout is in your spreadsheet. No wasted time doing manual input required. Another data source you might have could be online. If I copy and pasted this table on languages into Excel, I'd get something like this. The formatting is inconsistent and there may be links or cells I don't even need. Instead, go to the website with your table first and copy the URL. Then, head back to the Data tab in Excel and select From Web. Paste your URL into the pop-up window and click OK. Excel will display all of the available tables at the web address, so select the one you need and click Load. Boom! Your entire table is now in your spreadsheet and formatted perfectly. If the table ever changes in the original source, just click Refresh to update the data in your own spreadsheet. Check out the other Power Queries you can explore in your own version of Excel at support.microsoft.com. Want more TipUp? Watch our videos and submit your ideas at its.weill.cornell.edu/tipup.